In this video, we are going to see how we can create a Facebook page event easily by just following some simple steps. So all we have to do is just go to the top right hand corner and make sure you're switched to your normal profile to Facebook page profile. So you click on your profile and make sure to switch to whatever page you're admin of. So let's say this one. I'll click on this, it will load, and then you will get the Facebook page interface. So on the left hand side, you can see this professional dashboard option. Click on that. And here we can click on the left hand side for all tools, and you can click on events to see all the events that you have created or not. So we haven't created any event in the last 365 days. So let's create an event from the corner at the bottom. You can see it create event button here. Click on that. And as you can see that it automatically places a cover photo, but if you want to change it, you can edit it from here. And we want to name it as test event. Start date will be today, let's say. Start time will be this. Time zone is this. And if the event is in person or virtual, you can choose these options. So if it is an online webinar or something like that, you can add it accordingly. It ends on this date and this time. You can click on end time and date, and you should be able to view those options. You can select your location, write about the details, what will be covered in the event. You want to market your event. We have different options for that to some specific audience. You can also add co-host, add tickets details for the website link so that the people can grab the tickets, especially if it is a concert or any social event. Repeat event if it is occurred every single day for a complete week. You can repeat that event. You can go to the communication settings and adjust those accordingly. So even though if there are not much details about it, so right now we'll just write all details. Whatever your details are, you just mention it here. Only then it will activate this create event option, because these are compulsory fields. And finally, we click on create event and your event will be created right away after processing a little bit. And you can invite the followers after that, whoever you want to notify about the event. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.